Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a community on a Reddit account. For this, I am going to use Reddit app. You can do the same, so tap on it. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. So here, you can see an option of create a community. Tap on it, so you can see that you need to choose a very unique community name for yourself, which must contain numbers, letters, and even underscores. So when you're done doing all of this, you can even choose the community type. Tap on this public option. You can make it either public, restricted, or private. I am going to make it public, and then choose the option of 18 plus community if you want it to make it more adult-verse. But I want to keep it more neutral, so I do not want this 18 plus community option. After this, you can tap on create community option below when you're done. So you can see that I have successfully created a mesmerizing magnet one named community. So I can add an interesting title over here and then post as much as I like. So I can add some pictures, tap and add on the top right corner, and then tap on this next on the top right corner once again. You can add even some videos, tap and continue again. We can add as many videos that I like, and then tap and add on the top right corner, tap on next on the top right corner once again, tap on next on the top right corner when you're done. Tap on post option in the top right corner if you agree with posting it. So you can see that post submitted. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.